Hiya. So I thought I would just do a quick video of this Bosch washing machine. Hopefully you can see the control panel. It's nearing the end of the cycle. I don't know why I'm sitting like that. I could actually just bring a chair out and like sit and record it like this. Sorry. Has a brush motor, as you can hear. I personally like washing machines with brush motors. They have a nice sound to them. Oh my god, I didn't realise you could do that. I don't know if it'll spin higher than that. I don't know if it does. Yeah, it doesn't sound happy. It doesn't sound happy. I don't know if you could hear like that faint. I don't know. I like comment below if you can hear what I heard. But yeah. Oh wait, are we in? Okay, we're not actually at the end of the cycle. I thought we were. My bad. Yeah, it's a Bosch WMS AE21 E3EB, I think. I'll put it in the description. Oh yeah, so we're not at the end of the cycle yet. Yeah, I reckon we can call albums are going to be replacing at some point. So. I mean, I could be wrong, and it could just be a loud motor. I don't know. I've heard motors sound like that before. It's not. Yeah. My friend used to have a Bush machine, and like the entire front cabinet, like the front, like around the door, and all down the front of the cabinet, so like here was all rusted, like really bad. And I'm like, how does that even happen? I've never ever seen a washing machine have that before, ever. Like, and that was a really good machine actually. Yeah, that doesn't sound like me. It sounds like the bearings actually. I'm trying to like keep the camera aim okay, like good. Right, let me just pause this and then I'll come back after I've shut the door. Hey peeps, and we're back. So, comment below if you think that this sounds okay, or if you think it doesn't, because I'd be interested to know, like, I will point it kind of like just near the wall. Yeah. And it makes, I don't know. I'll also do a quick recording or video of the Beko tumble dryer. Oh, for fuck's sake. I fucking hate like having to use the camera because it's so, because I don't use it like very much at all. And if I do, it's normally the front facing, but I'll record a bit more of this and then I'll wait until the final spin and then I'll restart the video. Or yeah, because I don't know how long this is going to take to upload. And by the way guys, I am sorry for not uploading so much. It's been a while. I know it's been like I don't even know how long it's been, but it's been a long time. And yeah, I've just mental health issues and other things that I don't really want to go into in this video because yeah, I may talk a bit about it, but things got heavy and I had to take a break from videos / recording. Although I've been doing music, but I won't upload any more instrumental remakes because YouTube keeps fucking having copyright claims put on my videos, despite that, you know, and I reckon it's AI, to be honest. So we're droning. So I don't know if this is the. I don't know if it's gonna. Oh, I wish I'd start. Oh my god, I wish I'd paused it so I could fucking. So I could get because I'm on the white noise app as well. That was me, Daddy. It sounds okay now, but I don't know if I do think that it needs to be locked up. Did you hear that? I don't know if you heard it, but it was like not a grinding noise, but it didn't sound too happy, so when it spins up again. Oh god. Pardon me. I can't believe I farted in one of my videos, Jesus. That's really tickled me, that. Oh. think? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said yeah, whatever.
I did, yeah.
Oh.
The bottle of wine you don't get is on there.
I'm not having it tonight. Yeah. I'm just doing this video for my YouTube channel. This motor doesn't sound happy. I will
God, my back went funny earlier on for some reason. My back.
going to end this video now because people are
What?
here. So I will see you in the next
What's
video.
that?
Bye guys.